Welcome to Cozy Space Living, where beautiful apartment design meets practical inspiration. Today, we're stepping inside a collection of mid-century modern apartments filled with timeless character, thoughtful details, and designer-worthy decorating ideas that can transform even the most compact space. Mid-century modern style is all about finding the perfect balance between clean lines and inviting comfort. Throughout these apartment tours, you'll discover clever furniture arrangements, warm wood tones, sculptural accents, and elegant color combinations that make every room feel polished without becoming overly formal. If you love stylish apartment interiors, be sure to subscribe to Cozy Space Living, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which mid-century modern idea you would bring into your own home. Now, let's explore these timeless spaces and uncover the decorating secrets behind their designer flair. The living room is where mid-century modern style truly comes alive, beginning with furniture that combines simplicity and personality. Think streamlined sofas, low-profile lounge chairs, tapered wooden legs, and carefully selected tables that create an effortless sense of proportion. Every piece feels intentional while still allowing the room to remain comfortable and welcoming. Warm wood is one of the defining elements of this design language. Walnut, teak, and oak surfaces can instantly introduce richness, especially when paired with neutral upholstery and softly textured rugs. Rather than filling the room with accessories, a few distinctive pieces can provide enough visual interest to make the entire space feel curated. Artwork and decorative objects add another layer of personality. Abstract prints, geometric ceramics, vintage-inspired clocks, and sculptural accessories can reinforce the era without making the apartment feel like a museum. The secret is to combine recognizable mid-century references with contemporary pieces for a fresh and livable result. A mid-century dining area can make a surprisingly strong statement even when space is limited. A round or oval wooden table can soften the geometry of an apartment while creating an inviting centerpiece. Pair it with chairs featuring elegant curves or tapered legs for a look that feels authentic yet refined. Storage can also become part of the design. A streamlined sideboard provides practical space for tableware while introducing another opportunity for beautiful wood grain and clean horizontal lines. Above it, a carefully arranged collection of artwork, ceramics, or vintage-inspired objects can create a sophisticated focal point without overwhelming the wall. For smaller apartments, consider keeping the dining palette restrained. A combination of warm timber, muted upholstery, and a few carefully chosen accent colors can make the area feel cohesive with the adjoining living room. This continuity helps an open-plan apartment feel larger, calmer, and more thoughtfully designed. Mid-century influence works beautifully in apartment kitchens because its emphasis on simplicity naturally complements modern functionality. Flat front cabinetry, warm wood finishes, understated hardware, and clean countertops create a polished foundation without unnecessary visual clutter. Open shelving can introduce personality while keeping everyday objects within easy reach. Displaying a small collection of ceramic dishes, glassware, cookbooks, or vintage-inspired containers can bring warmth to the kitchen while maintaining the streamlined character that defines the style. Color is another opportunity to make the kitchen memorable. Muted olive, ochre, terracotta, cream, and deep brown can complement natural wood beautifully. Even a small apartment kitchen can gain considerable character when one or two distinctive colors are repeated through accessories, seating, artwork, or cabinetry detail. The bedroom offers an opportunity to make mid-century modern style softer and more relaxing. A simple wooden bed frame, streamlined nightstands, and a restrained color palette create an uncluttered foundation. Layering natural textures through bedding, rugs, and woven accessories prevents the room from feeling too stark. A statement headboard can also become the centerpiece of the room. Upholstered designs, rich wood panels, or subtly curved silhouettes add visual character while maintaining the clean proportions associated with mid-century interiors. Keeping surrounding furniture simple allows that central feature to stand out. Decorative details should feel collected rather than excessive. A sculptural table lamp, vintage-style artwork, ceramic vase, or small stack of design books can add personality without disturbing the peaceful atmosphere. The result is a bedroom that feels nostalgic, sophisticated, and completely suited to modern apartment living. One of the greatest strengths of mid-century modern design is how naturally it works in smaller apartments. Furniture with raised legs creates visual openness, allowing more of the floor to remain visible. Slim silhouettes can provide essential function while preventing rooms from feeling crowded. Multifunctional pieces are especially valuable in compact spaces. A stylish credenza can provide storage, a nesting table can adapt to different needs, and a compact lounge chair can define a reading corner without consuming too much floor area. These choices prove that practicality does not have to come at the expense of style. Mirrors, open shelving, consistent materials, and carefully controlled color palettes can further enhance the sense of space. Instead of trying to hide every functional element, the goal is to select pieces that are attractive enough to become part of the overall composition. That is where mid-century modern design becomes particularly clever. The most interesting apartments rarely rely on one design era exclusively. Mixing vintage-inspired furniture with contemporary accessories can give a mid-century interior a sense of authenticity without making it feel dated. The key is to repeat shapes, materials, or colors so the different pieces still relate visually. Consider combining a classic wooden sideboard with a modern abstract artwork, or placing a contemporary sofa beside a vintage-inspired coffee table. These contrasts create depth and keep the apartment from looking overly coordinated. A few unexpected pieces can actually make the entire room feel more sophisticated. Accessories provide the finishing connection between old and new. Geometric patterns, sculptural ceramics, textured textiles, brass details, and natural wood accents can bridge different styles beautifully. When each object contributes something distinctive, the apartment begins to feel personal rather than simply decorated according to a trend. Mid-century modern apartment design proves that timeless style does not require an enormous space or an extravagant collection of furniture. With thoughtful proportions, warm materials, functional layouts, and carefully selected accents, even a compact apartment can achieve the sophisticated character of a professionally designed interior. Thank you so much for joining us on this tour of timeless mid-century modern decorating ideas. We hope these spaces have inspired you to experiment with warm wood tones, elegant silhouettes, vintage-inspired details, and clever styling solutions in your own apartment. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to subscribe to Cozy Space Living, like this video, and leave a comment telling us your favorite idea. Thanks again for watching, And we'll see you in the next Cozy Space Living Inspiration Tour.